It's a beautiful day here in Niagara Falls at Three Sisters Islands early in October. Leaves are starting to fall on the ground and change. Another week is going to be really fabulous. You can hear the rushing water, and just a beautiful, beautiful day here. As I walk through the walkway through part of Three Sisters Islands, headed back towards the car. Go over the bridge here, and there's some of the water here. Kind of pan through this a little bit. As we're looking upriver towards Buffalo. And we'll just pan over to the other side of the bridge here. River downstream headed towards the falls and towards Canada. You can see some of the tall hotels there, the casino, Skyline Tower. And you see some of the mist there rising up towards the Embassy Suites. Right there in the center of the screen right now, the mist of the falls. My kind of day. Back up the walkway here. We'll shut down here for a minute.